Hey guys, today's video will teach you how to get the SimCity BuildIt hack for iPhone and Android. So in the mod menu, as you can see, we have the option to add unlimited SimCash. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on just to show you guys that it actually works. As you can see, this is what we're working with right now. We're broke. So I'm going to turn on unlimited SimCash. As you can see, all these settings. So let's see if it goes up. And bang, guys, as you can see, it's increasing. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device so you can get rich. So let's get into the video. And I'm going to show you guys how to get this SimCity BuildIt modded game for your device. So the first step is going into the phone browser. And we're going to type hexmods.com. Alright, so let me just type that in. So this is the website, guys. It's a super unique place to be. So once you're on the site, guys, just go to the search bar, type in SimCity, find the SimCity BuildIt, press the download button, and before it downloads, there's going to be a verification. So this is the last step. Basically, what it is you got to download 2 apps, follow the instructions 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So once you do this, you'll be rich, okay? So let me show you guys. As you can see, it says missing files. So basically, we just got to download 2 of these apps. There's all these different apps. You can see like Underdog Fantasy says down and run for 30 seconds. So I just press on it, and I would download it and run it for 30 seconds. Or I could do like TikTok, Travel Town, this game here. Got to reach level 9 on the game, but that's pretty simple. So yeah, I'll see you guys later, but just make sure you download 2 of the apps, follow the instructions, and then you will have the SimCity BuildIt hack on your device. So it's super crazy, guys. It actually works for all devices and people, because a lot of people are haters and stuff, and they're like, oh, there's no way this works. But guys, they are dumb. You can actually get this onto your device. So yeah, it's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, definitely try it out, because a lot of people are just not really understanding this stuff, and they think there's no way you can hack SimCity BuildIt. Well, guess what, guys? You actually can. So as long as you do the verification, guys, you will have the SimCity BuildIt hack. You do not have to download all the apps. You just have to download 2 of them.